uThemba lo nginoba namhlanje.
Can you see them guns child?
Siyami Leo Andrew lapha som.
Yeah, ngiyaphila unjani wena?
Ngiyaphila. Ngoba sengisho uThemba lo namhlanje ngicotshela abantu sesikuphi kwenzakalani namhlanje.
Namhlanje sise album listening session yakaLwandle Nkulu. I-album yakhe Amaciko is dropping soon. So she's here to give us a little bit of, you understand, the music and just listen and vibe to it. Yeah.
Okay, manje sikhulume ngawe siswami. Usually TikTok, Facebook, YouTube yonke indawo yabo. So wena ikhono lakho leli lokuthi interview abantu, ukuba ipresenter, such charisma yonke leyo nto leyo. Uqhamuka phi yonke lento?
I think this is a talent that I was given to by God. To be very, very honest, not to even sound very cliche, uNkulunkulu nje yabo. Ngafika nje ku Yana Lyrics, the founder of Yana Lyrics, and I said to him, "Hey, my guy, ngifuna ukwenza into efana nale yabo, bathi kumina buya sisi yabo." So when we started the whole thing, it started. It felt natural. It felt like something that I'd love to do yabo nje. So it became. I think I gained experience throughout the whole. You know, going to interviews, interviewing people, these big artists, yeah.
Yini lento etshelena before interview wonke umuntu yini lento esikhanda lakho?
Too. I think energy most of the time is very important, yabo. Regardless of whatever that you might have encountered before interviewing umuntu, yabo, you need to bring the energy to the screen. You need to give people the entertainment, yabo, and as well as knowing a little bit of information, not kakhulu, about the person that you're going to interview, you know, so that it makes it interesting for the viewer. But not only that, but it also educates the viewer about the person that you're interviewing.
Yes.
Yeah.
Siyamazi ukhanye mazi lapha ku Yana Lyrics, siyamazi ku Piano Pal. So how do you balance these two platforms? Kube makhulu kangaka?
Wefethu ngiyabhalansa nje ngiyabhalanseka bo. It's not what do you mean in terms of what exactly?
Like ama-brand ayafana acishe like ikhuluma into eyifanayo. So how do you balance kanjani?
I think Yana Lyrics and Piano Pulse are a bit different but the same. There's a lot of other platforms that share or try to grow the entertainment industry, music specifically. So I balance well because it's almost like the same thing, but different things at the same time. The other one dwells more on giving the knowledge and the insights of the industry. The other one dwells more on being in the streets and covering what's happening about the music, about the industry in the streets, on the ground, and getting to know the people on the streets in general. Yeah.
Sikhulume ngaso namhlanje useDurban, seKZN, faka umqhele, amabhinqa konke lokho. So umuphi kumculi la eKZN omthanda kakhulu? amaskandi, particularly amaskandi, yes.
Yabo nje I'm not a fan of umaskandi kangako, but I've been enjoying music kaSminoff, you know. Yabo nje Smirnoff, there's a song actually that he was featured on Yes, yabo nje le ngoma mfethu those yabo nje Smirnoff dong it's really dope ngiyayithanda nje le ngoma le yana yabo. But there's a couple of amaskandi songs that I love.